Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where we have been breaking the current ongoing downtrend with, of course, a new local high. What is right now telling us that we are right now starting another uptrend on the 4-hour and the 1 hourly candles here as well. We broke out of the symmetrical triangle. I will be as well go over the potential W scenario, what you can be seeing playing out right now here in front of your screen here, with a beautiful higher low structure as well. And of course I will be revealing the price target of this W retest. I will be going over the 1 hourly candles, where we are right now seeing a minor bearish divergence getting created here, what could be resulting in either some sideways action or a minor cool period for Bitcoin getting started over here. And of course, I'm going to discuss way more things here, what we are most likely going to see here on the daily candles, and of course, all the important levels that we right now have to be breaking through in order to see Bitcoin climbing further up towards higher digits. And guys, if this sounds interesting for you, make sure first of all to smash up that like button as well. If you haven't already, make sure that you're going to subscribe to the channel right now here, since if you're not subscribed to this channel, you're definitely going to miss out on a lot of valuable information here. And of course, the more people that are going to smash up the likes here, the more viral cryptocurrency content is going here, and the more viral cryptocurrency content is going, the more people will be getting exposed to it. So make sure to smash it up, and let me right now start off with discussing the Bitcoin 4-hourly candles. So Bitcoin 4-hourly candles, you can see clearly a downward slope resist line was getting formed here, and we were seeing several touch points as well. Big wick over here, what was for me giving a signal, okay, maybe we're going to see reverse from here on, but still we managed to break out of the symmetrical triangle, aka this resist line. We retested this level of previous resistance as support, and right after that we started to move up with an approximately 4.5% towards the upside. So that was a beautiful gain for Bitcoin. Right now, once again, trading above the $50,000, what is absolutely crazy to see, of course. And since we have been, of course, climbing towards these higher levels here, I will be discussing the price target of the symmetrical triangle, and I will be discussing the current ongoing trend on Bitcoin. So you can first of all clearly see that we're in a downtrend. We were not seeing any reversal signals on the momentum indicators whatsoever, to be very honest. But right now it looks to be that we are in a healthy uptrend. All the momentum indicators are not giving me right now on the 4-hourly candles a bearish divergence or a trend reversal signal. So that's definitely very beautiful to see here. So the 4-hour looks to be in a healthy uptrend for sure. We could be maybe see a minor pullback before once again moving up here, but it looks to be right now, since we took out this high over here, we are right now forming once again a higher high trajectory, and this higher high trajectory is very beautiful, since if we're going to form higher highs, we're as well going to look for higher lows right now, and we could be ready to look for long positions than short positions right now on the 4-hourly candles. As well, if I'm going to talk about the breakout of the symmetrical triangle, the price target is laying around the $52.5 thousand. This is of course and still an increase of 5% here towards the upside. That's going to be a major level that we could be increasing towards, and it could be signifying still as well major gains for all the holders out there. And definitely can't wait to see how this is going to end, of course. So as well, there are a lot of things that we should be paying attention towards right now here. So you can see over here, I've been drawing here a line here. So previous resistance, of course, if we're extending this line, we see another rejection over here. We were seeing a minor fake out over here, to be very honest, but you can see rejection, support, resistance, support, resistance, and right now, of course, on the past 2 4-hourly candles we found resistance as well, and maybe we could be seeing a breakthrough of this level. So for me, it is going to be extremely important that Bitcoin is going to close this 4-hourly candle above the let me see, 49.9k here. So let's see if we can close a Bitcoin 4-hourly candle above the $50,000. First of all, this is going to be a very bullish candle close, because the $50,000 is very psychological resistance, and if we're able to break through that level, we're most likely going to search even further. And to be very honest, on the 4-hour RSI, we still have as well some more room to grow towards the upside. So yeah, for me, it's going to be very important to see the Bitcoin 4-hourly candle close above the $50,000. Definitely can't wait to see how this is going to end here. And of course, if we're going to see a rejection, it will be, of course, extremely likely if we're going to close below the $50,000 that we're probably going to opt for a minor rejection like we did here previously over here on these previous candles here. So I'm for sure looking forward towards it, but we could be maybe as well already see a breakthrough of it. So let me as well discuss this other scenario, because I've been preparing a lot of scenarios right now for the Bitcoin price action. If I'm going to take a look at the Bitcoin price action, you can see several things right now playing out here. So you can see on this chart that we have been forming a very interesting W recovery on Bitcoin on the 4-hourly candle. So you can see here how we were decreasing in valuation, then we increased. We of course got rejected by the same level of resistance, then we decreased once again here. We're forming a higher low. This is beautiful to see, of course, in a W recovery. So you form a W over here, And a W is first of all a typical reversal signal, and a W is as well, yeah, very bullish bias pattern. And you can see as well the price target is as well trading around to 51.3k here. So this could be as well telling us that we're about to see as well Bitcoin increase with another, let me see, 2% if I said correctly, 3% even, approximately 3% towards the upside. So it looks very strong here, looks very solid. And the reason why I definitely think we can be most likely going to reach this price target is because this W recovery had, of course, a higher low in it, and of course, if you're seeing a higher low in a W recovery, it is usually a very bullish bias signal, and it's most likely going to reach your price target. So it's looking very solid here. Bitcoin W recovery already broke out here, of course. No trade opportunities right now here. As well, if we're going to go for a retest, we could be maybe opting for a long position around to 49k here. But for sure, yeah, looking forward towards where we are going to end here with the Bitcoin price action right now here. So definitely looking forward towards it. Bitcoin as well, on the 1 hourly candles, is only getting me a little bit worried right now here, because if I'm going to look at the Bitcoin 1 hourly candles first, let me do some trend identification. You can see over here clearly we were forming a clear lower high trajectory with together these lower lows that were getting formed over here. We were seeing clearly the Bitcoin market was shifting, but then we were seeing, of course, a bullish divergence playing out over here. I warned you guys all about it, and I as well closed my Bitcoin long here. And as well, in yesterday's video, I was expecting to see Ethereum moving down ever so slightly. Fortunately, we moved up here as well. Fortunately, I was announcing that I was not going to trade it, so for sure I benefited from it. But right now we will be looking, of course, at the next opportunity, what we're going to see here. So yeah, Bitcoin reversed towards the upside. Beautiful momentum shift here, back towards higher levels here. Then right now it looks to be that Bitcoin is forming once again a minor momentum shift over here. Since right now it looks to be, if we're going to enable the RSI, guys, you can see over here, we already confirmed this bearish divergence right now here. So we're forming a clear higher high on the price action, but the RSI is still forming a lower high. And this is for me giving me a signal, okay, I want to be getting a little bit more cautious. This could be resulting in either Bitcoin going a little bit sideways here, or Bitcoin either to cool off ever so slightly. And of course, if we're going to increase further on, and if we're going to pump back towards the 50.4k, I think we already will be invalidating the bearish divergence, so I will definitely be extremely careful with your short position right now here. So yeah, it looks pretty interesting what we're right now having here. As well, if I'm going to enable the MACD indicator, I'm not seeing a necessarily trend reversal signal right now here. So yeah, it's only on the RSI, but for sure you want to be paying your attention towards it right now, of course. So yeah, Bitcoin looks to climb up very solidly. And right now as well, I want to be going over some other levels of very interesting resistance, since you can see Bitcoin got earlier today rejected by the 50.4k here. I already, of course, told everyone here on my Twitter page, the 50.5k, 50.4k is going to be critical level for Bitcoin to break through, of course. And I would love to see Bitcoin breaking through this level right now here. So guys, by the way, if you want to be staying up to date about all the market developments as well here, make sure to follow me on Twitter at RoverCRC. We already got 12,000 followers. Thank you so much for everyone who's following us right now here. And of course, if we're going to see a trading opportunity, I will be for sure trying to announce it to you guys. But right now, I will be still remain extremely cautious and remain a little bit on the sidelines before once again opening a huge trade right now in the market, since I'm getting a little bit scared on the exact time of recording with trading the market right now here. So pretty interesting, of course. So yeah, like I told everyone on the tweet here, yeah, the 50.4k is going to be an extreme import level to break through, and this level, of course, is as well going to provide us massive resistance. Like you can see over here, it's 4-hour resistance, and this 4-hour resistance is going to be providing us massive amounts of resistance. I mean, right now you can already see it on the previous 4-hourly candle, massive getting created here. Right now we're trying to go for another retest of this level. What will be extremely important for me to see here is the Bitcoin 4-hourly close above this level. So guys, if we're going to be able to see the Bitcoin 4-hourly candle close above the 50.4k, we are for sure going to see another insane pump, and it could be maybe even bring us back up towards the 52,000 US dollars. So this is going to be very important what Bitcoin is going to do right now here. If we're not able to close a 4-hourly candle above the 50.4k here in, let's say, the coming 2 or 3 candles here, and if we're going to see another rejection from this level, I will be remain a little bit more careful, and we could be maybe see a correction. But if we're able to close it above, we could be looking for a retest of previous resistance flipping into support, and this could be, of course, for sure providing very strong opportunities to trade the market towards the upside as well. What you can see, and what is as well already very important, the weekly resistance already got cleared. You can see over here previous resistance, previous support, previous resistance, over here it was almost providing us resistance as well here, but we already closed a few 4-hourly candles above it, and we even retested it as support. So the weekly resistance is already cleared for Bitcoin, and that is of course beautiful to see that we did clear that on the 4-hourly candles. Right now I want to be staying above this level also for a little bit longer, not as well for only 24 hours approximately. I want to be staying above this level for a little bit longer here, because if we're going to fall below this level once again here, it's going to be extremely bearish. And especially, I want to be seeing Bitcoin closing its weekly candle above this level of resistance, because if you're going to go to the weekly time frame, I want to be seeing a weekly candle close above this level, since this is previously a major resistance over here, major support over here, and major support over there. So this is going to be a major level for Bitcoin to break through as well. You can see we got tonight already for 2 candles in a row on this level. So it would be for me very important to see Bitcoin closing above this level. So pretty interesting what we're right now having here, and we have to be remain a little bit more calm and wait to see what the market is about to do here. So pretty interesting right now here as well. If I'm going to go towards the daily candles, guys, I mean, still I want to be waiting for daily candle close here. The Bitcoin daily candles is definitely reversing back towards the upside right now here, but still I'm going to say this to you guys out there. We are seeing a huge amount of momentum loss right now in the Bitcoin daily chart here for everyone. I mean, it's not confirmed yet. It really depends on where this daily candle is going to close for Bitcoin. If we're going to close it at a new high here, we're going to create a huge bearish divergence on the daily candles on Bitcoin, and this is going to be probably resulting in a Bitcoin maybe to see a very severe correction, but maybe as well we're going to just deny it like we did previously, because yes, I want to always be realistic with my analysis, but previously as well we ignored a lot of bearish divergence that still moved up here. But I can tell you, if we're going to create a once again these bearish divergence and Bitcoin still starts to move up here, we are going to see a very severe correction anytime soon here. So please make sure that you're going to pay attention towards it, and especially make sure that you're not going to panic sell if we're going to see another drop off. Make sure that you're the one that is going to accumulate, so we could be, of course, absolutely crush our portfolio towards new all-time highs here. So yeah, looking forward towards how this is going to end here, but still going to raise the awareness that the daily candles is right now suffering a huge momentum loss. We are seeing lower highs getting created on all the momentum indicators, but higher highs in the price action. This is making me feel extremely worried right now here. So definitely a thing that I want to be giving you guys a heads up on here. So once again, it's a pretty long video here right now, and for all the people that are willing and interesting as well to join us maybe with the next trades that we're going to take here on this channel, make sure that you're as well going to sign up here with Bybit, and the link in the description. If you're right now going to sign up with Bybit, you will be getting a $3,000 deposit bonus, and if you're going to sign up right now here, you will be get the $3,000 deposit bonus. You could be literally deposit some funds, withdraw your funds afterwards, and you have a free $3,000 to trade with. So it's definitely worth to check out here. Link in the description. Bybit, definitely make sure that you are going to check that out right now here. So as well, guys, we have been discussing this several times already here. The rising wedge on Bitcoin Bitcoin dominance getting created broke down here. Price target around to 39.9%, and we have been saying it over here. We were going sideways, we were consolidating, and right now we're starting to move down once again here. So this is opting and showing us that the altcoins have way more room to grow here. And especially, guys, look at the tweet here that I made, and this is going to be exactly what is going to play out once again here. And I can already spoil this, and I don't have a glass ball or so, but I know from the past that these markets always work the same here. So what I personally right now think here, Bitcoin is right now exploding with Ethereum. After this, I do think there will be more money flowing towards the larger cap coins, and as soon as that is going to happen here, these small and the minor altcoins are going to absolutely blow up here, and they're going to absolutely explode here. And make sure that you are exposed to the right projects right now here. Make sure that you are going to benefit from the current market scenario. So, guys, thank you so much for watching once again here. This was an amazing update once again in the channel, guys. Later today, I will be back with an Ethereum update and probably as well an XRP update, because XRP is looking pretty solid and pretty interesting right now here. And I definitely don't want to be missing out about what XRP is about to do here. So, guys, thank you so much for watching here, and I will check you guys in the next one. Peace out.